Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, May the 4th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for my our pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my OWL pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things that happened yesterday. We have scholars that are doing an amazing job. They're getting 100 on every one of their exit tickets. Nice job, scholars. We also have scholars that are reading, and reading. Keep it up. Scholars, if you are a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader and you are going to stay home to take the final test of the year, we will be passing those out on Wednesday. So make sure your parents know to look on Dojo and on Facebook today to see the post as to what time that's going to happen on Thursday of this week. Also, don't forget, on Wednesday, tomorrow, you can be out of uniform in traditional Mexican wear for Cinco de Mayo. We're super excited to celebrate and excited just to have another day to teach you. Today's a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!